All right, March 20th. So I didn't make any trades today. Like I said, I'm going to just sit back this week. Probably a really good thing I did today, actually. Um, why am I making this video if I didn't make any trades? Because I want to just stay in the habit of reviewing um, my day, my thought process, and just not break this habit I have. I think it's a good habit to review my trades at the end of the day, make a little video. It's more for myself, if anyone else is learning from this, that's great. I'm glad people watch. But it's more so I can go back, review my trades, because I'm more of a visual person. I look at what I did during the day. Sometimes I forget, like if I just have a chart. So if I kind of just uh, make a video, express how I felt and my thought process and why I got in the trade, why I exited a trade, mistakes I made, then it's just easier for me to go back and see what I did. So this morning ESPR was up, nice gap up here. Check out the daily. Really big gap up from this gap down to yesterday, sorry, Friday. And my thought process here was, okay, this thing is up huge. And pre-market, this thing was still rallying up. It had great momentum. It was going up. I'm like, okay, I'm not going to make the trade. I was tempted. I won't lie. I had my limits filled out. I had my risk set, and I was like, at this, I might as well just go for it. This is a great trade. But I just said to myself, you know what? It's Monday morning. If you can't even go one day without, sitting back and just watching, then you suck. Then that's what I was telling myself basically. You suck. You can't. You have no willpower. You have no self control. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna kick back, relax, and just pretend I'm playing. So my entry, I believe it was 60 right here. 35.60 was a low. Got this break up and a nice 1 minute cup. Down it goes. Would have got filled here around 58. And it came back down to the moving average here, the 20 moving average, and then just went through the roof here. So thank God I did not get in this, because I would have really been kicking myself in the ass. For one, because I told myself I'm not going to trade this week, and if I had a lost money and I'm not supposed to be trading this week, that would have really sucked. But it kind of made me, when I saw this thing going up, I said, okay, well, why is it going up? So I went back. Like I said, my thought process was, okay, this thing's gapped up huge. It's got good momentum going up. It's got to top out somewhere. I want to catch the top, and I want to hit it all the way back down. So when I saw it doing this, I said, well, why is this not going down? Well, for one, it's not a piece of shit stock. Piece of shit stocks are, under $10, just crappy stocks. This is not a piece of shit stock, and it had good news. So it it took me. I think I have to take time in the morning with stocks like this that do gap up and really dissect them more. Why are they gapping up? Where is it gapping up to? It's something that I don't really do, that I need to get in the habit of doing. And it actually, I recognize that today, because I did. I was ready to get in this. Like I said, thought process, gapping up. Um, didn't really care what the news was. I knew there was some kind of news. There was a reason why it was gapping up. I didn't really go into detail what it was, because my mindset was, it's up too much. I want to catch top. I want it to go all the way back down, and I want to gain huge profits and buy a Lamborghini. So that was my mindset, but that didn't happen. So it really, I'm glad I sat back today, because it made, I don't think I would have diagnosed this trade as much if I didn't sit back and just watch it. I think I would have been maybe too mentally broken. I would have been kicking myself in the ass, and more just, instead of being able to say, okay, why did this go up? I I would have been just so frustrated that I wouldn't even want to look at the chart, or just review the trade quickly, save a screenshot, throw it in a folder, and just be done with it. Hit the gym and work it off. But because I was mentally okay with what this stock did today. I didn't lose money. I didn't win any money. But I was able to watch it and say, okay, you know what? Well, let's find out what happened and why it did this. And why would I have lost money? Is there a reason? And there absolutely was. This is, like I said, it's not a piece of shit stock. And it's got a reason to go up. It's got a reason to hold this price, which makes sense to me. So I'm actually looking forward now to the rest of the week and not trading. It's going to be interesting. I'm pretty excited to not trade, which sounds ridiculous, but it is what it is. I hope this is a good learning week for me because, like I said, I learned something today, and that's a step forward. So hopefully I can do that again tomorrow and the rest of the week and come back strong next week and make some profits. Anyway, good luck the rest of the week.